James Shirley for plaintiff.
Mr. Fry, your name?
David Fry.
All right, so Mr. Fry is here. This is a motion for possession pending final judgment, right?
Correct.
What would you like to tell me? I signed the order initially, the restraining order, and then I see we had it up for February the 24th. Can you enlighten me?
It was adjourned to 2 weeks ago, Your Honor, at which point the court adjourned it one more time.
Okay, so we're just here to decide
This case looks simple on paper. Unpaid money, motion for possession. But what unfolds here is way more human than that. You're watching someone's home hang in the balance over timing, communication, and credibility.
I was ordered to make the payment within the last 2 weeks, and I tried to get a hold of them on Friday and make the payment over this weekend or on Friday, and their office was closed, and I tried to see if there's any way I have all the money in an account ready to make. All you gotta do is click the button.
Oh.
That's it. I'm trying. I tried.
Hang on, slow down.
Here's where things start going sideways. Fry keeps saying, I have the money, but court doesn't care about intention, only execution. And that gap between I can pay and I paid is deadly in cases like this.
Resolve this?
Very briefly, and it was not resolved.
Your Honor.
What happened?
They don't want to accept my payment again.
Wait a second. Slow down. What? Okay. Yes, Linda.
Someone has checked in for the defendant. Her name's Angela. Yes.
Oh, no, she's with me.
You're a lawyer, right?
With Performance Equity, the finance company.
She's my client, Your Honor.
I see. All right. You don't have a lawyer?
No, sir.
Why won't you accept the payment? Tell me what's going on.
Because I called him on Friday to talk to him, and he still didn't have it.
I did talk to him on Friday.
Slow down. Wait, we cannot have two people talking. Okay?
Sorry.
You called him on Friday.
To see if he had the payment, and he said that he's got to switch money around. He doesn't have it. The same thing he said in court the last time, and he still didn't have it on Friday. So
that's not what I told him.
Go ahead, Jim. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Here's the thing, Your Honor. Mr. Fry is now 174 days delinquent, and the amount owed on the delinquency is $3,289.02. Plaintiff's usually pretty flexible in cases like this, but I ran Mr. Fry's name through the docket over the weekend, and in the past 2 years, he's been sued for non-payment of rent by his landlord 13 times. So I think it's very likely that if this case ends in anything short of a judgment of possession, we'll be back here in a couple of months.
Once the plaintiff brings up Fry's history, 13 prior non-payment cases, that changes everything. Judges don't just hear excuses. They hear patterns. Fair or not, that history instantly weakens Fry's position.
Listen, it's very simple. You either have the money or you don't.
I do. I absolutely do. And can I speak for just a second, please?
I don't want to hear talk. I want you to tell me.
It's not my fault. I was less than that was like not even 60 days late in January when they decided to not accept my money.
Yeah,
and then they adjourned it. I have it.
Slow down.
I have the money.
Don't talk to me. Don't interrupt me.
I apologize.
I don't want to be interrupted. I asked you to stop 2 or 3 times. Knock it off. This is not a bar.
Oh, I understand, sir. I'm just trying not to lose my home.
Well, it's very simple. You owe $3,289.02. Now, you don't interrupt me. Either pay him the money or you're going to lose your home. I don't want to get into all this, what happened 120 days ago or what you told her on Friday or she's misrepresenting or you don't have to move money around. You got the money now today or not?
Yes, sir, today.
Where is it?
In the bank account.
What bank?
Right now, my boss's bank. I have the money at work. I've not gotten paid for the past 3 weeks, so it's
Stop. Your boss's bank account.
Yes.
That sounds like double talk nonsense to me. If it's either in your name in your account or your boss's account. If it's in your boss's account, you don't have access to the funds yet.
This is the moment the judge snaps. Not out of cruelty, but out of exhaustion. Courts run on order, and when someone keeps interrupting while their house is on the line, patience disappears fast. You can hear it. This isn't personal, it's procedural.
The payment for me because it's owed to me.
Call them up right now.
Yes, sir.
Go out. No. You're not going to call from in the courtroom. Go call them up. Say, can you make the funds now or not?
Yes.
Shh. I'm not going to play games.
No.
Don't interrupt me again. Go make the call. These good people are going to wait. And you're going to come back here in the next 5 to 7 minutes. See, it's 19 minutes to 10. You come back in here by 10 to 10 and tell me, Judge, I'm either prepared to make the payment right now or I'm not. Period. I don't want to get into all this other stuff.
This deadline is brutal. 5 minutes. Call your boss. No stories. No blame. Just yes or no. This is courtroom reality. Judges don't negotiate emotions. They demand proof.
David Fry.
Did you pay the money?
I tried to. She said there was an issue with the numbers, like she didn't get them down correctly, said she didn't have time and hung up on me.
I feel like a babysitter
I'm
here.
honest, it's a business card number. There's no reason it doesn't go through. We were three-way on the call with the owner of the company. She had some type of discrepancy putting in the numbers, unless somehow there was a miscommunication.
Do I need to hire? Are you serious?
I'm dead serious. I asked her, can we try it one more time? She said, we don't have time for this, and hung up.
Angela, what happened? Come on. Tell me your
Okay.
name again. Mr. Sherrill, tell me your name again.
James Shirley for plaintiff.
Your Honor.
Your name again, Angela. Yeah,
Angela
I need your name
Jackson
again.
for performance equity.
Spell your last name.
Jackson.
Thank you. Okay. All right. What happened?
All right, so I waited until they called, and a lady from Shaw's Plumbing, she called and I talked to her. She gave me a card number, and when she gave me the card number, I put him on hold, and she gave me the card number, expiration date, and the CVV. So I put him on hold, and I went and asked our accounting department to run it right away. And she ran it, and it came at an invalid card number. So I got back on the phone, and I said, the accounting department ran it twice, and they said it's an invalid card number. He started saying, no. And I
But
said,
it's impossible.
I don't have time for this, and I hung up.
Now it turns chaotic. A declined card, accusations, confusion. And honestly, this is where people lose cases they technically could win. Not because they're wrong, but because nothing is clean, clear, or documented.
Why would she tell you why would she tell you it's an invalid card number if it's not an invalid card number? They want their money.
There's a discrepancy because I use this card every day at Home Depot, thousands of dollars, sir. I'm a plumber. We use a lot of money on that card every day. I guarantee it. I just made this $3,500 for them in the past week to get this paid. I would work 90 hours this week. I mean, the money is there. I just didn't receive my check yet. That's why it's in the account ready to pay it. There's no reason why this shouldn't go through. We all consistently are using this card. It's a business card. It must have been just a miscommunication, or I believe that they just don't want me to pay it and they want the house back.
This is the most human moment. Fry isn't playing games. He's exhausted, overworked, scared. 90-hour weeks, trying to save his home. You can hear the desperation when he says, I feel like they don't want me to pay.
Why don't you give me the number to the lady that gave me the card for Shaw's Plumbing, so I can call her myself?
Yeah, do that. Go give her the name.
Go here.
Yeah, because the alternative is I'm going to have you drive the check to Muskegon.
Whatever.
That's the
I need to
alternative,
do.
a certified check today to Muskegon. So go call up Ms. Angela.
How far is that?
Listen,
I'll do whatever I have to do so they don't say that it's wrong again.
you go over there and you call Angela and you set her up with Shaw's Plum. Okay? If I find you're wasting my time
I swear on
and
my
their
life,
time
sir.
over this, and you don't have the money, we're gonna have a big problem, you and me. Go out there and call her and give her the number of Shaw's Plumbing. Do you understand?
The judge cuts through everything with one solution. Prove it. No more talking. No more calls. Put the money where your mouth is, or this ends badly.
Okay,
The payment did go through.
okay. So what do you want to do? You're gonna just dismiss the case?
Well, I'd suggest a conditional dismissal, Your Honor. We don't want to be doing this every couple of months. I'd suggest a conditional dismissal in case of any future default that lasts more than 10 days. I can file an affidavit, an order to reinstate, and a judgment.
How can I do that? How do I have the authority? He's paid up the debt. I don't see how I can do that at this point.
There's quite a
I mean, he's
substantial
paid up
balance
the-
remaining
There's a substantial balance remaining?
on the principal, yes. He's come current, but there's still a balance on the principal.
Yeah, I know, but I can't, that's what you're sued for, was the past debt.
Correct. Well, actually, we
can't
sued for
do anything.
possession.
No, I get it, but you were sued based on the fact that he had an arrearage, right?
Yes.
And now the arrearage has been brought up to date. I'm a lousy judge, don't you think? I think if I start entering into signing orders of conditional dismissal that pertain to future defaults, right? I can't do
Yes.
that. I'm sorry. So you guys want to just submit a stipend order to dismiss?
I'll do a voluntary dismissal.
Well, you got an answer here somewhere, right?
Well, not in
Does he have
writing.
your permission? He's appeared though. Does he have your permission to sign your name to a stipulation in order to dismiss this case without prejudice?
Yes, sir.
That's the way I'm going to ask you to do it, Mr. Sherrill. I'll just
Very good.
indicate plaintiff attorney will, and you have his permission to sign his name, so we'll submit S&O to dismiss without prejudice, okay?
All right.
You could have made, all right, thanks a lot. Thanks for your patience, Ms. Jackson, Mr. Sherrill, thank you.
All
Next
right.
time,
See you
do
soon.
this a little soon.
100%.
Have a good day, thank you.
And finally, payment goes through. Relief. But notice something important. The judge still refuses a conditional dismissal. Why? Because courts don't punish future hypotheticals. They deal with what's in front of them, rig.